Welcome back, Hornets. We only have 8 more Tuesdays here at VCHS this year. We're your hosts. I'm Jeff Stockwell.
And I'm Landon Hickey. Let's start out with today's lunch.
I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down.
Today we will be having popcorn chicken with mashed potatoes and gravy, green beans, dinner roll, baked beans, rosy applesauce, and a cold milk. You can't forget about breakfast, especially after prom night. Listen up for some delicious breakfast info.
For those of you attending prom, the free after prom breakfast will be held at the Methodist Church at 5th and Meridian from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Miss Joyle and Benny Anderson will be making the famous cinnamon roll pancakes. Stop by Miss Joyle's room to RSVP.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now, a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
So guys, my name is Ethan Atley. This is your top 5 news stories. Number 1, Salina Fire Department installs second safe haven baby box in Kansas at its station. Number 2, ICT food pantry to close in July after serving Wichita since 1975. Number 3, Southwest Airlines ends bag fly free program. Number 4, Buc-ees to build first Kansas travel center near Kansas Speedway. Number 5, lawsuit claiming Girl Scout cookies contain heavy metals. Have a good day, Hornets.
Next year's today's word and quote of the day.
This week's word of the week is stupefy. Make someone unable to think or feel properly.
I find the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson.
Last week, we got a chance to hear what you did over spring break.
Hi, my name is Doc Needham, and over spring break, I golfed for like 2 days, and we also had our team scrimmages Thursday through Saturday. So I really couldn't get to do anything special, so it was fun though.
Wandu Makoko Nimbo, slept a lot.
I'm Reese, and I played a lot of soccer over spring break.
My name's Gavin Sainer, and over spring break, I just played baseball.
My name's Nash Hamad, and I played a lot of basketball over spring break.
My name's Cooper Boone, and over spring break, I just played baseball.
Callie Cross, and I slept in over spring break.
My name is Braden Ritchie, and I pretty much just played baseball over spring break.
We've got more prom information. If you plan on attending, you need to tune in now.
We're here with your prom etiquette video. Tickets must be purchased through My School Dance. This applies for out-of-school guests as well.
Red carpet will start at 7:30 and it will end, and we need everybody to be there by 8 o'clock. We will not be admitting anybody else after that.
Remember that all the rules in the VCHS handbook do apply.
Please remember that you're representing VCHS and its staff and students, so please act accordingly.
Please remember to wear appropriate formal dress attire while at the dance. Tobacco, alcohol, drugs, and vapes will not be permitted while at the dance as well.
Music suggestions will not be made at prom due to the form we have sent out.
And don't forget to have fun, dance the night away, and make memories.
If you're into cars, we've got a special activity for you.
Make sure to come out to the Valley Center High School Car Show, Saturday, April 5th.
It's that time of the week again, Tune Tuesday.
We've warmed up, but it comes with a lot of wind. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
My name's Ethan Atley. Today's high will be 70 and today's low will be 50.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
April 1st, 2001. Slobodan Milosevic is arrested after a standoff outside his Belgrade villa. The former Yugoslav leader is soon transported to the Netherlands to face charges before a UN war crimes tribunal. Milosevic dies in custody 5 years later while still on trial. 1945. American forces invade the Japanese island of Okinawa during the final months of World War II. The U.S. secures the island after nearly 12 weeks of fighting. That's among the war's fiercest in the Pacific. 1933. Nazi Germany begins persecuting Jews with a boycott of Jewish-owned businesses. Discrimination and violence against Jews increases under Nazi rule, culminating in the Holocaust. 2003.
At this point, she is safe. She's been retrieved, and some brave souls put their lives on the line to make this happen.
American troops rescue Army Private First Class Jessica Lynch from a hospital in Nasiriyah, Iraq. That's where Lynch had been held prisoner since her unit was ambushed 9 days earlier. And 1984.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on?
Soul singer Marvin Gaye is shot to death by his father in Los Angeles. He was 45 years old. Today in history, April 1st, Mike Gracia, The Associated Press.